Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Jenna Tungo and you are most welcome. If you're interested to see how I achieve this style, please continue watching. I will start by sectioning my hair into two halves, exactly as you can see. I will go in with my gel wax and I'll apply it in between where I did the section to ensure that my parts are like clean and neat. I went ahead and sectioned my hair because I want to do like some small two cornrows right at the front, and I got this inspiration style from Ntabi and I just decided to try it out. And guys, I'm sorry about the lighting, just bear with me. You know, there's nothing I could have done about this light. In the next clip, I will show you how I started my cornrows. You can see I'm adding in braiding hair, so you'll see exactly how I, started my cornrows. And guys, you can just braid your natural hair. It's not a must that you add in braids, but that was just my preference, okay? Once that is done, I'll go in with my pair of scissors and just cut off the excess hair because I'll not be needing this. I'll be using the Eco Style gel to slick down my hair. I will use my hairbrush to lay my hair together to make sure that my hair is like smooth. I'm working in sections because I don't want any flyaways or anything of sorts. once I'm done, I'll put my hair into a ponytail. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, share my videos, like, comment, and be sure to stick around for more video ideas on how to style your hair. Okay. Don't worry about the back. I went ahead and corrected all that. It's because I was in a hurry. So now I'm here just doing my edges. Once that was done, I went in with my scarf and just to make sure that my hair was like laid down completely. So guys, I'm back, and for sure this scarf does magic. I was satisfied with how my hair turned out. This is the pre-stretched braiding hair, and if you'll wish to see how I curled them, kindly let me know in the comment section, and I will make a video of how I did this, or rather of how I achieved these curls. Okay, so I went ahead and put it into my ponytail. After I've done that, I will just grab a small section of this braiding hair and wrap it onto my ponytail, exactly as you can see. So I went ahead and secure the ponytail with these bobby pins. So I went ahead and spiced this style up, and using these gold accessories from Atungo's hair collection. You can go check it out on the IG page. And I forgot to mention the hairbrush that I used. I also got it from Atungo's hair collection. And guys, this is the final look, and I'm very much impressed with how this style, came out. And I cannot stress this further. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe, share my videos, because I'll be giving you more videos to do with hair. So please be sure to stick around for more videos. Okay, so guys, I will see you again in my next video.